Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video we'll show you how to get my old wallpaper back Android so you can restore your favorite background quickly and easily. Whether you saved it before or need to find it again, now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Gallery or Photos app on your Android device and look for the image you want to use as your old wallpaper. If it was a personal picture, it might still be in Google Photos or your device gallery, even if deleted from files. You can also check Google Drive backups or search online if you remember where you downloaded it. Step 2. Once you find the image, tap the image to open it in full screen, then tap the three dots icon at the top right corner and select Set as Wallpaper from the menu. This option lets you apply the image as your wallpaper directly from your gallery. Step 3. Adjust the position and size of the image by pinching and dragging it on the screen. When you're happy with how it looks, tap Apply. Choose to set it as your home screen, lock screen, or both, and finally tap Done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.